Hey everyone, this is Amy Park. Prom is coming up less than 2 weeks away. Prom will be on November 14th from 8:30 to 11:30 p.m. When you go inside, get ready for a spectacular night filled with great performances, fun dancing, sweet treats, a huge ass cake, am I allowed to say that? Face paints, and much, much more. Dress in your best Rocky Horror Picture Prom outfit because we're going to do a costume contest to win a gift card to your one and only Sunset Cantina. Make sure you have your cash ready. We are going to be in the GSU all throughout this week and the CFA next week, so come prepared. Tickets are $15 pre-sale and are $20 at the door. Thank you so much again for supporting STAMP at one of our major fundraisers. All proceeds go directly to our spring semester senior theses. And remember, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask any member of STAMP. So what are you waiting for? Get ready for Rocky Horror Picture Prom. I'm Amy Park and I'll see you all later. Bye!